Hi everybody, this is Chang. Today I would like to tell you the chapter 4 of the part 2, the story of the seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. Let's start. 4. Danger never rests. Gathered in Harry's battle, the cats decided that the chick could not be left at Dobra's apartment any longer. There were too many risks, and even greater than the threatening presence of the two derelict cats was the human. Humans, unfortunately, are unpredictable. Often it's with the best intentions that they cause the greatest damage. The colonel moralized. You're right. Just consider Harry, for example. He's a good man, all heart, and he's fond of the chimp, and he knows that Matthew is too fond of his beer. Even so, blam! He hands that monkey a bottle every time he gets 30, said Einstein. Now our poor Matthew is an alcoholic. He's beyond shame, and every time he gets drunk, he likes to sing off-color songs. Dreadful! And when they understand what they do, just think of that nice girl. She died because they crazy, polluting the ocean with all their garbage. Secretariat added. After a brief conference, they agreed that Dobra and the chick could live in the bazaar until it learned to fly. Dobra could go back to the apartment every morning so the human didn't get worried, and then could return to look after the chick. It's not be a bad idea to give the bambino a name, Secretariat suggested. Exactly what I was going to propose. I do resent your butting in, the colonel complained. I agree, said Jober. It should have a name, but first we have to know if it's a boy or a girl. He hadn't got that thought out before Einstein had trotted over the consult the volume with the letter S and was flipping through its pages looking for the word sex. Unfortunately, the encyclopedia said nothing at all about how to distinguish the sex of a girl chick. You have to admit that your encyclopedia hasn't been much help to us, Jobra complained. I refuse to accept any criticism of the efficiency of my encyclopedia. All knowledge is contained in these books. Einstein returned, offended. What about seven seas? He's an ocean's cat. He's a gato who can tell if your bambino is a boy girl or a girl. Secretariat assured them. What? Exactly what I forbid you to ever, the colonel sputtered. That's the end for today. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.